Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I am so darn excited. I got, let me cover up my address. I got a PR box from Maybelline and I'm so darn excited. I love Maybelline. I love their lipsticks. I love their products. I use them all the time. Literally one of my favorite drugstore brands. So I'm so excited that they gift me these products to test them out and just show you guys how I feel about them. So before we jump into the unboxing of this video, I am going to link in the eye and down below another Maybelline PR unboxing video that I did. And then also one more thing, if you do like what you see throughout this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and hit the post notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. EST. So let's get unboxing, guys. Alright, I'm so darn excited. So, open it up, and this is what it looks like. It just does say Maybelline and just a little sticker and some bubble wrap. So, I have this, and I'm just going to take this out. And this is what it looks like. So I think this is like Maybelline's signature like box. Hold on. I have my other one right here. Literally, I'm like a sucker and I just can't throw this out. I think it looks so pretty. Like, I'm even that corny that I still have all the lipsticks in it because this was like my first PR box from Maybelline and I want it to look perfect. So whenever I need a lipstick, I grab it and then I like use it for the day and then I put it back in the exact same spot because I'm insane. But, love it. So, let me open up this one. So you open it up. And here it is. I don't want to blind you guys. I know the lights. I'm so sorry. So I'm just going to hold it at like a weirder angle, I guess, so it doesn't blind you guys. So it does say Maybelline New York New Falsies Lash Lift. I'm so excited. I do have two here. I have one for me and then one for a friend. I'll probably give this to my mom. She loves Maybelline mascaras. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much to Maybelline. Seriously, I appreciate you sending me products to test out and show for my videos and for my brand, and just tell you guys if it's really worth the money. They're like, you know, I love doing this and I'm really excited that Maybelline is giving me this chance. Seriously, I thank Maybelline, I thank Pixie, and I thank Dark Cosmetics for really like putting me on their PR list and letting me do my job and just show you guys what I like, if it's worth your money, and just give you a full review. So I am so darn thankful. Thank you so much to Maybelline. I just wanted to plug that in really quick, but I'm so excited to test this out. So let me see if I can find any information on Google. All right, so it just says coming soon. So it says, but I did see on Sally's it was $10.49. So it's, let me just say $10. This is a lifting mascara that delivers dramatic length, volume, and a lash lift in a tube. So it's an instant lash lift effect from a mascara. It has fibers that deliver dramatic volume and long lifted lashes. A mascara that looks like false eyelashes. Our double curved lifting brush and fiber infused formula grabs lashes at the root to lift, thicken, and lengthen. No clumps, smears, or flakes, just volume and the look of longer lashes that last all day. That sounds amazing to me because if you guys are new to my channel, I don't wear false lashes. I mean, I use them once in a while, but on a daily basis, no. In my videos, I think I've used them like 2 or 3 times throughout my YouTube career here. So over like the year and a half, I use them 3 times. So I really don't use them that often. I love how they look. I just don't like applying them. So how to use, it says hold the brush against lash and sweep from root to tip. Repeat until desired look is achieved. And one tip is do not let it dry between coats. So excited. So it doesn't say the price on Maybelline's website, but when I go to like the shopping, I guess, portion of it, it does say at Sally's it is $10.49. It's gonna say it's a $10.49 mascara, and let me show you guys what it looks like up close. So this is what that looks like. I like the packaging, very like sleek, modern. I like that. So all you have to do is just boop, pop that open. I'm just taking off the excess that was on the tip. And then that is what the wand looks like. So the wand does have a little bit, in my opinion, like an hourglass type of figure, because as you guys can see, it does pinch in a little bit right at the center. Not too much, but it looks really good. So let me go ahead and try this. So let me zoom you guys in actually so you can see up close and personal what it does to my lashes, because I'm so excited. All right. So one thing that I do like looking at it, you can see that that my lashes do look super long, but I don't see like the fibers. Like I know some mascaras you can like see the fibers that come out, but with this I don't see it. Oh my god. Look at that difference, guys. Do you see? This eye looks so darn magical. Oh my god. And my lashes aren't clumping together. My lashes look really good. They look super long. My lashes look really filled, like look really good. They look super long. Like look at that difference. My lashes look so good. And I like the color. It's super black. I like really dark black mascaras. Sorry, I keep on looking in the mirror, but I really like how this looks. My lashes look long. They look full. They do like curl up a little bit, which I really like. And I feel like they look really, really good. I'm obsessed. That looks really good. All right, so I am done with this eye. Let me go ahead and do the other eye. But like I was saying, like I don't see the fibers on my lashes. I know like some mascaras, you can see the fibers on your lashes, and I don't like that. This, I can't see like the fibers. Lashes look so good. I do have like those two that are kind of like clumping together. All right, so let me do my lower lashes. I want to see if I could do my lower lashes with this mascara. Oh yeah, it's actually really easy. I thought it was going to be a little bit more difficult to do my lower lashes with this mascara, but it's actually not that hard. Wow, even my lower lashes look like bomb. It's really easy to get my lower lashes. I thought it was going to be hard because the wand is on like the bigger side, but it was actually really, really easy to coat them. So I'm shocked. But let me show you guys my lashes up close one more time so you could take a look. All right, guys. So this is the completed look for this mascara. And y'all, I love it. I think I found my favorite mascara thus far. Especially for this month. Like I love mascaras, but like when I get a mascara, I want my lashes to look long. I want them to look like I'm wearing false lashes without having to wear false lashes. I want them to be black. I want them curled. I'm like super picky when it comes to mascaras, but this is literally the best, and for only like $10.49, that is amazing. My lashes look super long, they look curled, they look like I have more lashes. I feel like it just makes my eyes pop, and my lashes didn't clump together. I feel like they look really, really good, and I just did like what, three coats. I feel like it looks amazing, and I really like this, and I feel like for the price it is amazing. So I'm definitely going to be using this again. Like guys, you're going to see this in a lot more of my videos because I'm that obsessed. My mom is going to love it. She always complains how her eyelashes, she wants them to be longer, so I feel like she's going to love this mascara. But that is it for this video, guys. I know it's very short, but short, simple, and to the point, right? I hope that you all did enjoy this video. Let me know, you're gonna grab this mascara. I want to hear about it. I hope that you all did enjoy this video. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you like what you see. But I hope that you all enjoyed and that you guys are gonna be picking up this mascara because I love it. And I want to shout out Maybelline one more time for gifting me this. I'm really excited to test it out. I really love this product. Like, their lip products are one of my favorite lip products, but this, I think this is probably my favorite mascara. It is so darn good. But that is it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.